Hello everybody, what is up? Today I'm going to be doing the bright printed mini magic cube party favors in 12 pieces Rubik's Cube video. So let's get started, shall we? And you're about to see what's coming up to the video. This is what I'm talking about. Just like I said it a few seconds ago, or more than that. So the reason why I made this paper note saying bright printed mini magic cube party favors 12 pieces like a Rubik's cube. The reason being is that I got this note paper with me because so I can remember what this Rubik's cube is called. It's called the bright printed mini magic cube party favors in 12 pieces Rubik's cube. And I just found this Rubik's cube online. I didn't buy it though. I just got this, but I actually did get this from my summer school. So sorry if I brag, but anyways, let's get started to the bright printed mini magic cube and party favors and 12 pieces Rubik's cube video, shall we? So I'm just gonna do my own way of mixing the Rubik's cube up and solving the Rubik's cube back in 6 sides, which my own easy way of doing that. Okay, so let's get started to the video, shall we? Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, yes. Try to keep the Rubik's cube to the camera. I apologize if it's not on the camera. Because the camera and the Rubik's cube are on the floors right now, and I don't know if I could get the Rubik's cube all the way in the cameras, but if you guys think you actually saw the Rubik's cube mostly, or if you saw the Rubik's cube all the way, then that's good. All right. Oh, yes. Did you guys see that? I solved all of the 6 sides my own way of mixing and solving the Rubik's cube in 6 sides, and I actually did it all 6 sides. My gosh, yes, I did. But this Rubik's cube is actually called the bright printed mini magic cube and party favors in 12 pieces. Really good. I also did this version of this Rubik's cube in 6 sides my own way, like I did it on my own Rubik's cube, my original Rubik's cube, and same way of this Rubik's cube, which is called the bright printed mini magic cube party favors 12 pieces. Okay, that's it for the video, but let me get to the outro. If I see any online stores selling the bright printed mini magic cube and party favors in 12 pieces, looking like this, if I see like this on the online store, then I will send the link down in the descriptions or in the comments. But I might not send all of them, although if I see every online stores that looks like this, I might send some of them of the Rubik, I might send some of the online stores looking like this Rubik's Cube called the Bright Printed Mini Magic Cube Party Favors in 12 pieces. I might send one. I might just send the maximum of 1 or 2 or 3 links, or I could send more than 3 links of the online stores looking like this Rubik's Cube called the Bright Printed Mini Magic Cube and Party Favors in 12 pieces. Okay, that's it for the Bright Printed Mini Magic Cube. Okay, sorry, I apologize for the mistake that I said just now. Okay, second try, okay? Okay, that's it for the Bright Printed Mini Magic Cube Party Favors in 12 pieces. Hope you guys like this because I did this my own way of mixing every Rubik's Cubes up and doing my own easy way of solving all of the Rubik's Cubes, every Rubik's Cubes in 6 sides. My own way, my own easy own way, yes. Hey, and bye-bye.